children. Jai Shri Krishna. How are you all? Children, do you know this is our festival season? In this season, we have lots of festivals. And now we are going to have our favorite festival. Which is that? That is Janmashtami. Yes. Children, do you know why we celebrate Janmashtami? Janmashtami is a birthday of Lord Krishna. You know, Lord Krishna was fond of butter. Makhan Chor. Why we call him Makhan Chor? Because he used to go in Gopi's place and he used to steal butter and he used to eat. Because he was fond of butter, he along with his friends used to eat all the butter. So today we are going to enjoy butter churning activity. You want to learn how to make butter? So children, today in Home Planet activity, I am going to teach you how we make butter. Children, when we boil milk, we get a layer of cream, right? So here I have some cream, and this cream I am going to use for making butter. So there are two ways I will show you so that you can make butter. First of all, I have this type of jar. Children, when you use a jar for this butter churning activity, you need to see that this jar should be leak proof. If it will get leak, the water portion will come out. So I have this jar. Now I am going to add little bit homemade cream inside this jar, right? And with that I will add chilled water. The water should be chilled. Little bit water. So I have added cream and water. Now it is very simple. What you can do now? Make the lid very tight, close it properly, and then we are going to shake this bottle. So when you will shake this bottle, the cream will get mixed with the water portion, and then after some time it will again be separated and will come in form of butter. So for this activity, you need to keep your cream outside for 2-3 hours. Do not take the cream directly from refrigerator. Take out the cream outside for 2-3 hours. Let it come to the room temperature, and then you can add in the jar, and then you can shake the jar, right? So as I am shaking the jar, after some time the butter will get separated from the cream. Let us check whether is it ready or not. Still there is some time. Children, this is a messy activity, so use paper towel or some napkin so that you can keep your things clean. Okay. So again, I'm going to clean my jar. Close the lid tight. And again I'm shaking. Okay. This is the one way you can get butter. And After some time I will show you the other way. Now again I am going to check that. Yes, our butter is ready. Still I'll shake it for some time. And now I will show you the butter. Children, here also you can see some part of butter is there. And take another clean spoon and I will show you. You can see the butter part, right? This is the butter. What is this, children? Butter. And whose favorite is this? This is favorite of Laddu Gopal. Yes, Krishna Bhagwan. So here inside I have some water portion also. I will show you. As I will take out butter. This is the butter, and as you can see we have water portion that is separate. Okay, so I am going to separate the butter again, and this is our butter. Now we'll see the next method of making butter. So for that I am taking little butter in this bowl, right? Sorry, I am taking little cream into this bowl, and then with the use of spoon or beater you can churn it. I'll add chilled water. I have this beater, so I'm using it. If you don't have beater, you can use spoon. So you can use this beater this way, or after some time we'll see that our butter is ready. Let us see, still there is some time. Do it fast. So children, as you can see, now our butter is almost ready, and you can see on the whisker, see, this is the butter. What is this? Butter. So it is almost ready. Some more time, and you can see that the butter is ready. So this is the way how we get butter from cream. So children, this is our home planet activity. I want you all to do this activity at home with your mom and help your mom in making butter, right? So today what did we learn? We learned to make butter. This was butter churning activity from Home Planet. I hope you enjoy this activity. Okay, bye bye for now. I'll come back soon with another very interesting video. Bye bye.